Hello, my name is Bill Sinnis with Squala Pizza. It started the summer of 2020. I was actually living in Gulf Shores, Alabama, knowing that I was going to open a restaurant here. I had met the landlord, signed the lease, and now my first thing was to find somebody that could help me not just redesign, but kind of completely renovate this entire establishment. I knew that that was going to be my biggest obstacle. It's pretty simple to know when somebody is just an authentic individual as a person outside of their profession. Sometimes you talk to professionals and you can't differentiate their personality on an individual level from their job, and I have a hard time working with those kind of people. Kaelyn was just kind of, in a way, how I am, is that I want to get to know them a little bit and then let's talk about the work, because I think it becomes more natural like that. She had a vision that I couldn't have seen, or wouldn't have seen. It was from the ground up, doing the to-go area, doing the office area, doing the bathrooms, which I think was the biggest part of it, and doing the whole theme of Squala Pizza, which the theme is a vintage schoolhouse. And I had ideas that she listened to. You know, I think that's what separates Kaelyn from other interior designers that I've worked with. They all listen to you, but they listen to you out of a lot of times just to be appropriate. Kaelyn will take all your ideas and she will absorb them, and she'll see, you know, that idea really does work, and she'll actually admit, I hadn't thought about that. And her humility, along with her knowledge, along with her talent and her people skills, and the fact that she understands that this is a job that she can do from start to finish, and you're just telling her what you need and the job gets done by her. I can't recall me making a phone call to any company. I can't recall me getting at all fatigued. I was fatigued enough trying to open the restaurant. Told Kaelyn my vision, I gave her my ideas, and everything that I told her, you know, I told her I want these colors, I want this, and she takes what I want, which is very important. It's like, what does the customer want? And let me give the customer what they want with a professional feel, and tweaking it to bring about what you see today. I just couldn't be happier. I mean, I can't state that enough. I did have concerns in the beginning, and my greatest concern is if I would have enough money to pay Kaelyn, because you never know what a big renovation is going to cost at the end. And it was always, don't worry about it, we'll take care of it, let's just get the job done. At no point did she make it sound like we're not going to get the job done because there may be some kind of a financial issue here short term. At no point did I feel any kind of pressure. Every time I texted Kaelyn, she'd respond. Every time I call her, she'd pick up or say, I'm going to call you right back. And never did I feel that I was bothering her. Never did I feel that, you know, I was just overdoing it. And I think that that's the part of it, of where, again, the relationship makes the experience. When you're working with Kaelyn, you truly believe you're the only job she has. That attention to you as the customer that makes you feel special, and it really does. It makes you feel that all her focus and all her attention and all her love is given to you, and only you almost, and you're taken back by that. Once you find out that she has a lot of projects going on along with yours, it makes it all the more impressive. When I walked into the restaurant, I simply could not believe how much it had changed, how beautiful it was. It was perfect in my eyes. It was unbelievable to be able to do this job under these circumstances. The owner's not even present. And then you come into a brand new looking restaurant that looks this great, and she'll bring even the batteries for those lights sitting over there. She's the one that's going to say, okay, these batteries aren't working well, let me go get you better batteries, and let me come and bring them in, and let me turn the lights on for you. And it's all these little touches, these little details that absolutely makes her the best. I cannot imagine there's anybody within her sphere in this area. I've told this to people all the time. If you want to get the job done and with as headache-free as possible, you have to make this call. And I always tell them to call Kaelyn, and I have no problem or no worry at all that if they call her, they're going to be as happy as I was.